Welcome to English Conversation Practice for Beginners. I'm Anna.
And I'm James. Today's episode is very special, a lesson on how to talk about the future in English. To make it long, clear, and useful for beginners, the lesson should include slow explanations of grammar, will, going to, present continuous, would like to, and might. Examples in daily life: weekend, travel, work, study, dreams. Role plays: friends, students, workers, family, travelers. Repetition and pronunciation practice for listeners. Review games. Homework practice at the end.
Yes, we'll learn step by step, will, going to, present continuous, would like to, and might.
Basic future with will. We use will for quick decisions and promises.
Examples: I will call you tomorrow. I will help you with your homework. It will rain tomorrow.
Repeat after me. I will call you tomorrow. I will help you. It will rain tomorrow. A. I'm hungry. B. Don't worry, I will make you a sandwich.
We use going to for plans. Examples: I'm going to visit my grandmother this weekend. She's going to buy a new phone. They're going to study English tonight.
Repeat after me. I'm going to visit my grandmother. She's going to buy a new phone. They're going to study English. A. What are you going to do after class? B. I'm going to meet my friend.
We also use the present continuous for fixed future plans. Examples: I'm meeting my teacher tomorrow at 3. We're having dinner with friends tonight. He's flying to Paris on Monday.
Repeat after me. I'm meeting my teacher tomorrow. We're having dinner tonight. He's flying to Paris on Monday. A. What are you doing tomorrow? B. I'm having lunch with my cousin.
Would like to is polite and shows our wishes for the future. Examples: I'd like to travel to Japan someday. She'd like to learn guitar. We'd like to buy a house in the future.
Repeat after me. I'd like to travel to Japan. She'd like to learn guitar. We'd like to buy a house. A. What would you like to do next year? B. I'd like to start a new job.
We use might when we are not sure. Examples: I might go to the park tomorrow. She might call you later. It might snow this weekend.
Repeat after me. I might go to the park tomorrow. She might call you later. It might snow this weekend. A. Are you coming to the party? B. I'm not sure. I might come. Okay, listeners, time for a game. Change the present into the future. I eat pizza. I will eat pizza tomorrow. I play football. I'm going to play football next week. I meet my friend today. I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. I want to learn Spanish. I'd like to learn Spanish in the future. I visit the park. I might visit the park on Saturday.
What are you going to do on your holiday?
I'm going to visit Cambodia.
Nice. I will go to the beach in Spain.
That sounds great. I'd like to travel to Italy one day.
Anna, what will you do after this course? I will look for a new job.
I'm going to study computer science at university.
Really? I might take an online class too.
Let's do one more game. I'll say a word and you make a future sentence. Word: dinner. I will cook dinner tonight. Word: travel. I'm going to travel next summer. Word: teacher. I'm meeting my teacher tomorrow. Word: guitar. I'd like to learn guitar. Word. Park. I might go to the park.
Today we practiced many ways to talk about the future. Will, going to, present continuous, would like to, and might.
Homework. Write 5 sentences about your weekend, your plans for next month, and your dreams for the future.
That's all for today's lesson.
Thank you for listening and see you next time.